So, okay, for auxiliary relay, exercise 7. So, at 0 is pressed to energize coil. So, output 0 is on. When the coil M0 is energized, so to cut the circuit, the whole circuit, S1 is pressed. So for exercise 8, special auxiliary relay, so this PLC is to power up. So M1002 will be on, and then the clock pulse will be on and off as a relay. Okay, for exercise 9, step ladder instruction. You can see the condition when SO is on. It is because it was triggered to M1002, and it is on single positive pulse. Variable run is active.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad MUAZZAN bin MUKHTAR. So I will show the simulation for the exercise number 10, three-way traffic light. So we start from the network 1 for the start the system. When I force start, force on the button, all traffic lights will be turned on red for 5 seconds. So this is timer. Then we continue to the west traffic light green, turn on for 30 seconds. So after the timer complete for 30 seconds, the west green will turn off. So the west green will turn off, and then continue to the west traffic light yellow on for the 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, west yellow will turn off, and then go to the west traffic light red for the 3 seconds, and then continue back to the traffic light green, turn on for 30 seconds. So after finish 30 seconds, the S green will turn off, and then continue to the traffic light yellow will turn off for 5 seconds, and then off, then continue to the traffic light turn on for 3 seconds for the red, and then continue back to the short traffic light green, turn on for 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, the short green will be turned off, and then continue to the short traffic light yellow, turn on for 5 seconds, and then go to the short traffic light red, turn off for 3 seconds, and then when the timer turn on, all the timer will be reset, and then continue to the first start. That's all. For the practice 3, pneumatic pick and place. So I will simulate the simulation in the ISP software. So this is the network 1 for the power up for the SO and S3. So the network 2, S0 is the push start button, and X1 is the stop button. So when I want to start the machine, I just press on. So the Y15 will turn on. So in this station, we have two stations we can choose, either to place A to B or A to C. So I will try to first is A to B. I just press on. So the STL will turn on, and then the arm is pushed down, Then after that's when the proximity sensor detects the objects. So the timer will 20 seconds for grip the hold the objects, and then at network 10 the arm will go up to 20 seconds, and then it stop at the base clockwise. Then after the that they detect the object ultrasonic sensor. So the objects, so the wrist is clockwise for 20 seconds, and then the arm was goes down. So when the proximity sensor detect for 20 seconds detect the objects, so the arm will go down, and then the grip release for 20 seconds. So the arm also up for 20 seconds, and then the base rotate anti-clockwise, and then the ultrasonic sensor detect down objects. So we will go goes down, and then the wrist will move anti-clockwise, and then that's all for the place A to B positions. Okay, next we try the second position for the A to C positions. So I just pause on the A to C, so the S3 will turn on. So we go to the networks network 13, continue to network 13. When the S3 is on, the arm was down, then the proximity detect the objects. So the gripper will hold for 20 seconds, and then the arm ups for 20 seconds. Next the shoulder right will move for 20 seconds, and then it's stop at the base clockwise. So when the ultrasonic sensor detects an object, it's turn on this one, and then the wrist will clockwise for 20 seconds, and then the arm was down, and then if the proximity sensor detect an object was on, and then it will grip and release, gripper will release the objects for 20 seconds, and then arm ups for 20 seconds, and then stop at the base rotate for anti-clockwise, and the ultrasonic sensor detect the objects. The shoulder turn to left 20 seconds, and then the wrist move anti-clockwise for 20 seconds, and then that's all.